Hey everybody, Nate here with Karcher, the cleaning experts. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new machine, the HD 2.0/1000 Dual Mister. In the world we're living in today, people are trying to disinfect as many surfaces as they possibly can in a short amount of time. Karcher already had a solution for that, the PS47 BP Mister. That unit is in very high demand, so Karcher was able to develop a secondary unit to solve this need in a very short amount of time. This is where the HD 2.0/1000 Dual Mister will come in. This machine is a cold water pressure washer that's been redesigned to not only be a cold water pressure washer, but also be a mister to apply Vital Oxide to any surface for disinfection. This machine runs on 120 volt 15 amp circuit, so a standard household plug that'll work anywhere in a house, in a school, in an office, anywhere you need to use it. It comes with a 36-foot power cord, a 75-foot non-marking hose, the trigger gun, the wand, and a misting nozzle. To start this unit for misting mode, all we're going to need is a 5-gallon pail of Vital Oxide. We'll need a short, no more than 10-foot section of garden hose. We're going to put that garden hose into the Vital Oxide bucket and connect the other end to the inlet of the pressure washer pump just like we would any regular garden hose. Next, we'll connect the Quick Connect non-marking hose to the outlet of the pump. We're going to connect the spray gun to the other end of that pressure hose and insert the misting nozzle. Now if you have surfaces that you need to touch that are higher up, you can use the wand as well as with the nozzle, or just the nozzle and the trigger gun like you traditionally use on a mister. Then we're going to need to make sure that we bleed all the air out of the system. So before we turn on the easy valve, we're going to turn on the power, make sure that valve is closed, take the nozzle over to the bucket of Vital Oxide, turn the machine on, spray the trigger gun until all the air is bled out of the system. Then we'll be able to open the easy valve and apply the mist to whatever it is we're disinfecting. There's an optional accessory kit for this machine to run a 2-gun operation. If the customer would like to run 2 operators at the same time, that's easily done with this machine. In that kit there is a T to connect to the outlet of the pump so you can hook up 2 pressure hoses. There's a 75-foot non-marking hose, a trigger gun, and a misting nozzle included in this kit. All the literature is available on Infonet right now. The marketing literature is done and these things are ready for order today. So this is the first step in purging the line. Squeezing the trigger gun, bleeding all of the air out of the system. Once the air is bled out, you can put the misting nozzle on. Now the nozzle that comes with the machine will look slightly different than the one you're seeing in the video. So now the nozzle is in, we've restricted the flow to 0.06 gallons per minute. When the operator adjusts the easy valve, they're actually allowing more of the Vital Oxide to run in bypass and can lower the flow down to 0.023 gallons per minute. So there is a few frequently asked questions for this machine. One, can I use it as a pressure washer when I'm done misting? For sure. All you need to do is close the easy valve, take out the misting nozzle, insert your wand and traditional pressure washer and pressure washer nozzle, and then you're ready to use it as a regular pressure washer like you would do every day. Another question I get is, what is the flow rate? Well, if it's being used as a pressure washer, it's pulling 2 gallons a minute, or pushing 2 gallons a minute out of the nozzle. If you're using it as a mister, depending where you have the easy valve set, it's from 0.023 to 0.06 gallons per minute. And the last question people have been asking me is this ETL safety certified? And yes, this machine is ETL safety certified, so you can sell with confidence that this machine is safe. If you have any further questions on this machine, you can always reach out to your local Karcher representative, or you can reach out to me at the Karcher Academy. Till next time, keep it clean.